Hello and welcome to MadeAria.com. This video demonstrates the process of signing up and getting an instant quote on MadeAria.com. First, click Get Instant Quote. Click the Login button on the top right corner of the page. Next, click the Sign Up button here. Enter your first name and last name. Enter your email address. Create your password containing at least one letter, one number, and 8 characters. Confirm your password by retyping it here. Tick the I agree with the terms of service box. Click the Sign Up button. Click the Login button again. Enter your email and password that you registered with and click Login. On the home page, select New Quote. Next, select the technology you want to get a quote for. This includes CNC machining, injection molding, 3D printing, sheet metal fabrication, and tooling. Click this area to upload your file or drag and drop your files into the area. Here, as you can see, the file has been successfully uploaded. Click the Configure button to configure details of the part to get a quote. Your uploaded image is shown here in 3D. You can rotate to view all sides. View controls are available here. Select the material type, physical and chemical finish. Enter the quantity of this part you would like to be produced and click Apply. Next, select tightest tolerance, threads, and tapped holes details. Upload more drawing files here. In the Remark section, enter any other details you will like us to take note of. The lead time and total price for the quantity of part requested is shown here. If OK with it, click Save. Select your shipping method and enter your shipping addresses. Click the Place Order button to place your order. You will then be directed to the checkout page containing all the details of the order. Select your payment method. You can use PayPal or bank transfer. If you choose PayPal and click the Submit Order button, you will be directed to log into your PayPal account and make the payment. If you select bank transfer and click the Submit Order button, you will be directed to the next page where you will receive a notification saying that our sales team will contact you with bank transfer details. You have successfully received your quote and placed your order. Click the My Quotes tab. Here you will see all the details of quotes you have received from us. Clicking the quote will open the quote and show the details of the quote. There are many tabs for categorization of the state of the quotes. These categorizations allow for tracking the state of the quote at any point in time. They include all quotes, drafts, pending, quoted, confirmed, ordered, and invalid. Click the My Orders tab. Here, you will see all the details of orders you have placed on our platform. There are many tabs that displays the state of the order you have placed. These categorizations allow for tracking of the order. All orders displays all the orders you have on our platform. Other tabs are Pending Payment, Pending Verification, In Production, In Delivery, and Completed. With these, you can see the state of your order at any time. Download the PDF version of your invoice by clicking the Download Invoice button here. You can see the invoice containing all the details of your order. And that's it. Thanks for watching.